Hi guys, welcome back. Today's topic is on Tally. I hope many of the customers are still using ERP9 Old Ocean. They are not married to Prime. Either there are so many reasons, either they are comfortable using with this older version, or their systems are not capable to upgrade to this version, or customers not ready to invest on this. But I request always be updated with the softwares and with technology, as there are so many benefits on this. As your day-to-day business, it will help you to automate so many things, like your monthly GST returns can be made with the new version. Auto e-way bill generation can be made. E-invoicing is already enabled on this, and coming version it supports Excel to Tally integration and WhatsApp integration, and many on features are yet to come. If any difficulty or any support is required, you can contact us. We'll help on this. Our link is shared on this. You can fill up the form. Our team will get back to you and help on this. Thank you.